Greetings, good people. Welcome to Coppered Hue. Greetings, good people. Yeah, it's ugly. We're painting it today. Okay? We're painting it today. It's ridiculous. I don't understand why they even did that. Why? Everything else is in here is silver. Like, why you didn't just... Anyhow, I'm going to tackle that, but my phone is dying, so we're going to charge the phone. I'm going to prep for you guys, and then we're going to get right to it. All right, peace. Okie dokie, you guys. So it's done. So I put like 3 coats on. It's still drying. I'll rip the tape. The second step is to go to Lowe's or Home Depot. I think that Lowe's is cheaper actually for what I need done. I'm gonna get these cut into a clear clear squares, just because there's like, it's a small lifted part of the ceiling. And what I plan to do is paint it the same color as the wall that we just did in the first project. So, and then make it concrete. I think that will tie this part of the kitchen in with here. I'm gonna do, again, like I said, in the back, since I don't have a black backsplash, and I don't want the sticker black backsplash. I'm thinking just to put the Venetian plaster, which is like, it's beautiful. It's like it's almost like a stone, but not stone. It's more of a, like a smooth plaster surface, and it'll be easier to wipe down, when cooking. And I don't know why they didn't put that there. Who doesn't have a black splash in the back of the stove? Let's talk about this. They just didn't care. But anyhow, yeah, that's the plan. I'm looking a fool again, but it's okay. I'm being an artiste with my spring water in the back. Stay hydrated. Peace. So I took the knobs off of the doors here. Yeah, and I think I'm going to paint them black. What you guys think? Yeah. Look at my nail. It's so disrespectful. That's the only thing about wearing your, real nails, if that's what you're gonna do, because they get dry and brittle and they break off, and now I gotta cut them all down after all the nice growth. Anyway, so yeah, I'm going to polish these black and see what happens. I think that would be a great contrast against the wood, since we're going with that color theme, like the browns and the grays and the blacks. And we're gonna use this Waverly chalk ink. Yep, here we go. So as you guys can see, it's a lot of space in here. So I'm going to make this look concrete. So it is coming along. It's coming along. I end up doing the perimeters of the, the corners, and then started on the sides. I just want to see how the color would transform. I don't know. I maybe should have primed it first, but I'm just rolling with it. I'm already in it. So yeah, it's coming along. I tried the roller, but it's just dripping too much. So far, so good. It's still plastic over it. It's still drying. I'm waiting for my honey to give me have some second eyeballs on it to see if that is, enough coating for the space. I think it looks good so far. Maybe I'm just tired and don't feel like painting anymore. But I think it's drying well. It's layered well. I don't know what the hell. I might go over it one more time. And let me step up here. Hold on. As you can see, I was debating if I should paint this little gold part here, but no one will see it because something will be covering this. And then I'm gonna put those Edison bulbs in, the same Edison bulb that's in the light fixture above the dining table. I don't know. I think I'm digging it. I think it's drying well. And then no one will see it this close. Everyone will see it unless you just got dang tall. But everyone would see it from here. And then I want to put the clear acrylic sheets on top, like the ones that I took off, but not with the design or the frost in it, just completely transparent. And it'll look like glass. And I think that that'll be really nice with the Edison bulbs. So let's step back and see. Y'all remember what it looked like before it was a full. So I think that will be really great. It just adds more depth, more space, ceiling space. I don't know. We'll see how it turns out. All right, moving on. All right, I'm finally done with it. Still drying a little here. I put one bulb in already. So let's glue the next one in. Hit the light. Ooh, that's bright. I like the Edison bulbs. I like the amber ambiance. There's tape on the bottom of my foot now. This is a mess up. Now I can finally do the other side. Uh-oh. That looks good. That looks good. So I'm not sure. Oh, greetings, guys. That's so rude of me, isn't it? So I wasn't sure if I was going to change these out, the canisters on the counter before I did the wall. But because I'm having a gathering on Saturday, I want the aesthetics to kind of match I want it to flow through. So before I paint it, I just don't have time to paint. I'm trying to prepare. I'm doing a lot. So I'm going to just change out some of the stuff that's already here, like the paper towel holder is red, and the, you know, it was a red phase. You know, everybody wanted a red. I want red accessories in my kitchen. But anyway, so that was the accent. But I like you guys can see, hold on. So, you know, there's red accents and blue accents and things. There's a hint of red in the red paper towel holder and stuff. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna change them out. Okay, me and World Market, don't listen, don't judge. All right, so I got this utensils out of the scraps. Isn't that pretty? With the copper accents. Oh, that's pretty. So that's a absolutely, right? That's gonna go in. It's gonna tie in stuff with that stuff. Yes, we're making pineapple mimosas, fresh pineapples. But that's that, right? And then we have some canisters, but I don't know which ones I'm gonna use yet, right? So, oh, that's some pottery. That can go somewhere else. We're gonna put this back up. We're gonna be able to use this paper now. Here's the lid to this because it popped off. And then I have this beautiful mug. It was so pretty. It was so pretty. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, it's beautiful. I'm gonna wash it and put it in the cabinet. I always save my paper for like baskets and things. You know, you can stuff with it, making baskets. So let's get rid of that. But if I grab this big one here, I think that'll do it for the medium size. Yeah. So I've already done my stove. I'm just gonna wipe this area down, clean those, put those up, and these are going to replace this one. And I want to give some contrast and give it something. But I knew that I have a black one, but I think it blends in too much with the counter. Although the lid has like a nude wood, like a pine. I think that's pine, similar to this, but lighter. So we're gonna go for that. And then I'm gonna put some rice in there, maybe some teas, but we eat a lot of rice. We love rice. I love rice, okay? Thai food is my favorite. I can eat it every day. So anyhow, that's that. And I guess you guys will see the final product. You see my eyes. I'm tired. I really need to take a break. And I'm just going nonstop like a crazy person. Yep. All right. Okay, so per usual, I'm up at the break of dawn. This one needs to be washed, doing stuff. So I've been up before daybreak, reorganizing cabinets. So you know how your glasses sit. So I have so many glasses. These were my grandmother's, and 2017 we had like a tribute for her. Just me and my first cousins and my uncles and my aunt and my dad. And those are glasses that were given to me for my grandmother. So I'm washing all of these. And then I have like random glasses that was given to me when when I moved into my apartment. So I have so many freaking glasses. But I'm having this brunch on Saturday and I have to put some more flutes in. So what I'm doing here is taking all these down. Of course, these are always getting washed, but I'm taking these down that needs to be washed. Look at these are just ridiculous. And then I'm putting these decanters up. So right now, as you can see, I'm putting these decanters up here where the shot glasses are, so where all the spirits and stuff that will be drank. I'm putting those there, and then this one will go down here with the wine glasses, and then on the other side the door opens, of course, with those opaque things. Can we have some clear ones? I'm just done with it. Anyhow, so you see, guys, see I love decanters. It's here, and then I washed this one earlier, so I got stuff going on. Okay, yeah, but here are some stemless flutes there, and that's what we're doing. We're organizing. Okay, so much better. So much better. Look at that. So much better. I didn't try. Ain't nothing I can do. I tried to get the stains out. It's clean. It's stained. It's just what it is. I'm really thinking about getting the silver. Yep. The silver tea kettle. That's so much better. So much better. Yes. It's happening, y'all. It's happening. All I gotta do now is do my floors, and then it's